Hello guys, good morning. Look, akong walking. Oh. Nag-walking ko diri guys sa boulevard. But actually it's not my intention to walk, but I just want to check kasi yesterday while driving from church, I saw debris of kittens nga naligsan. So I think there are two. So I was so sad yesterday. May kanang gasige balik-balik sa ilang akong ako ang huna-huna no. So that's why I woke up kay I know gid katong mga kittens dadto gito sa katong cat nga naa sa bank kay kabalo ko nanganak to siya. So karon morning I went there, wala mag traces of kittens na uy, but I saw the mama cat. Sus kaluoy sa mama cat guys, she's waiting for her kittens pero kaya I'm gonna get the kitten kaya ang mama cat magod is stray iso dakpon. So I will just try unta my best to get the kitten. So kato mao na gid siguro yesterday wala na gid sila so that's why I'm here. No, sa sunod pag magabuntis ito or I will try my best siguro nakuha ko na lang itong mamakat pero lisod man ko kaayo makuha eh. So that's it guys, nagwalk na lang ko dire. So have a nice Monday.